Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use file transfer. EO. First, navigate to the file transfer. EO website in your web browser. You'll immediately see the main interface for uploading files. This service provides a straightforward method for sending large files, making it ideal for sharing documents, videos, or photos with colleagues and friends. It's designed for ease of use, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. To begin uploading, simply click the prominent Add Files button located in the center of the page. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your desired files directly into the designated area. Once your files are selected, you will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. This process is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to quickly prepare your files for transfer. Once your files have successfully uploaded, file transfer. EO will generate a unique, secure download link. Copy this link and share it with anyone who needs access to your files. Recipients can then use this link to download the content directly. Remember, for security and storage efficiency, files are typically available for 7 days before they are automatically removed from the servers. For added security, you can choose to protect your transfer with an optional password. This ensures only those with the password can access your files. You can also include a custom message to provide context for your recipients. If you frequently send very large files, exceeding 5 gigabytes, or require longer storage, a premium account offers expanded limits, up to 1 terabyte per file.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.